Welcome, millionaires, billionaires, and future trillionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey to crypto. So, guys, Bitcoin has pumped and tested the new all time high. So, we're going to take a look at the charts and we're going to see where we are most likely to see the market short term and long term. And this is a very interesting article here that says Tether Blast Report that stablecoin giant is under investigation for money laundering sanctions violation. But before you understand what's happening, you would have to take a look at this video that was created 2 years ago, uh, where I mentioned USDT is going to collapse, and we are now beginning to see the revelation. So, what's most likely going to happen, guys? As I mentioned before on the chart, for those of you that's been following the videos. So, for anyone passing through, I suggest you join the Bull Run Telegram group. This is where we have conversations about crypto. You stay up to date with markets and all crypto related topics, so you stay ahead of the market, guys. Because everyone here has, if you are seeing this video, guys, you have the same opportunity to become a multi billionaire. So, when you see us are playing with billions, then at least you knew you had the same opportunity. So, you just have to be knowledgeable, and information is key. So that's why I say get yourself in the Bull Run Telegram. The link is in the description below. So I'm gonna give you guys a heads up on what's about to happen here. So we tested the on long term time frame. We've been expecting the breakout, guys. It's finally happening. So the wait is over. So the USDT collapse, as I mentioned in the previous video, guys, is a black swan event that's going to bring Bitcoin down below $100. So this is where you have the opportunity to become a multi-billionaire very quickly. So you have the opportunity to load up on Bitcoin once it drops. So I'm going to be explaining to you guys, teaching guys how to buy when it's dropping and where to put your limit orders. So I mentioned around all-time high here is where I'm expecting the collapse of USDT. This is where the FUD will come in. This is where the investigation will be finalized, and then we will see Tether uh, crashes and collapses. This is what's going to cause the entire crypto market, guys, to um, drop close to zero. So right now we're gonna have a nice pump to 150k, 200k areas with Bitcoin, and then we're gonna see the crash happens. And this is why I mentioned the best stable coin to hold is the AI, and also to diversify your portfolio as well. So on short term time frame, guys, we'd have to look at the 6 minute, not 6 minutes, 6 hour time frame, or the 4 hour here. Uh, we've had a nice pump, so it's we are due for a little correction, which is normal market movements, just part of the cycle here. So I'm expecting a retrace with Bitcoin around to, to hit support here at around right below the 70k mark. It's gonna hit support, and then we moon, guys, and the next pump should get us to around 80k, 90k. So I have a there's a VC setup in the Telegram, guys. So make sure you remember to join. I think it's at 9 a.m. Or 10 a.m. Eastern Central Time. So this is short term time frame. So in the long term, we'd have to look at the weekly time frame here. Yeah, guys. So If you are in a Telegram, you have the same opportunity as everyone else to become a multi-billionaire, guys. So I know a lot of people are about to miss the boat, and they will be FOMOing at the top because they won't understand what the market is doing, guys. But here you have the knowledge, the understanding. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so yeah, short term, long term time frame on the weekly time frame, guys, and on the monthly time frame as well. We're about to fly, guys. So this is where millionaires are about to get created, and once you make your profits, you make sure you protect it and continue to grow it because a lot of people will make the money and then they will lose it right back because they won't understand what the market is doing. Why is it look? Oh, no wonder. I'm thinking I'm in Bitcoin. I was wondering why the chart looks like that. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so we have about, remember, this is what's going to happen, but it's going to be a bigger cycle here. So we're going to have about uh, 3 to 5 months of bullish markets, guys, with few retracements in between. So this is where I'm expecting Bitcoin to get to the 150K, but the market's been heavily manipulated, guys. So I know a lot of you guys, we've been consolidating in these areas for the longest time in history, guys. So that means institutions were loading up, banks were loading up. Now we are now seeing the true price of Bitcoin, which sits currently at let's see here, about 150K, and then the retailer is what's going to drive the price to 200K and just slightly above, and then that's will be the peak of the market, and that's when you should be getting out, guys. So we'll keep you guys posted in the Telegram, posting signals, Bitcoin signals, the charts, so we keep an eye out for what's happening because things are going to be moving very quickly, guys. So if you're not paying attention, if you're distracted, you're going to miss the entire thing. So this is your opportunity of a lifetime to change your financial future and become very wealthy, because this is a wealth transfer that is happening. This is the only reason why Bitcoin is moving like this. But Bitcoin would have kept moving if we wouldn't have a black swan event. But the black swan has to happen because then everything else in the world is about to collapse. Real estate, stock market, everything is going to crash. So this is what's going to, because as I mentioned before, everything moves together. So this is why the USDT is going to collapse to cause the crypto market to crash as well with everything else. So during the crash, there's going to be a bear market. Then uh, you have to make your money now on this pump that is happening, and then you can just sit back, relax. You can even just wait until crypto bottoms out to buy back again, or like I said, as the community, as the bull run token community, we still gonna be making money in the bear market. So the coins that are about to launch, uh, I'm designing the contract and the launch to go against the market a little bit because there's some coins that can go against the market sometimes. So even while the market is dumping, we will have coins in our project that continue to rise. So this is where we're gonna see all eyes are on the bull run telegram. So there's gonna be in this pump, there's gonna be two coins that we launch is the Luna AI token and also the bull run token because I was waiting for a certain time to launch the bull run token, but it doesn't really matter if I'm creating the coin to go against the market. So even while the market is going to be collapsing, that coin will still be pumping and moving against the market. I'm sure some of you guys experience this in certain projects. Perfect example is the Shiba, where Shiba was the only coin pumping in the red market, guys. While the entire market was crashing, Shiba was the only coin that was pumping. That's the only reason why Shiba got to the point where it's at now, because everyone was just buying only Shiba, and everyone was selling other coins to get into Shiba. So this is what's going to happen with some of our projects, where we're going to be the only projects. Well, I wouldn't say the only, but one of a few projects that moves against the market, uh, and while the market is collapsing, and then we will be the only one climbing up, guys. So this is where we're gonna see a lot of hype in the Telegram, and like I mentioned before, we're about to see a flood of new people flood into the Telegram, guys. So the link to the Telegram is in the description below, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. So um, we're about to move very quickly, guys. We're about to see some godly candles in Bitcoin right after this small retrace to happen, and then we move because Bitcoin moves first. Then that's when we see the meme coins, the altcoins move, because institution banks, the big whales are buying Bitcoin, and it is only after they start taking profits where Bitcoin start dropping. That's when they start loading up on meme coins, taking some of the profits from Bitcoin and putting it into some of the meme coins, the altcoins. This is where we're gonna see some of these altcoins do million% gains. Not all coins, but the meme coins do million% gains, and there's some coin that's gonna be doing billion and even trillion% uh, gains, guys. So those that's in the premium signals. Those are the coins you are holding. So it's something we've never seen before. As always, we haven't. Bitcoin at 70 over 73K is something we've also never seen before. So now we're about to see Bitcoin at 100K, 200K. You can kind of imagine how fast some of these coins are going to be moving. So I'll see you guys in the Telegram. Peace.